So I do like to let my ad sets run a bit longer, and I don't kill it straight away when it hits profit margin, because I've seen ad sets actually come back after being unprofitable for the first 1, 2, 3 days, and it comes back on the 4th day. Hey guys, what's up? In this video we'll be talking about refreshing lookalike audiences and how it's super powerful. If you guys watch till the very end, I'm going to go ahead and reveal my lookalike audience Facebook strategy, so you're going to want to watch to the end to check that out. Before we get into the video, let's announce last video's winners for $1,000 worth of courses or consulting courses winners here. If you guys want to qualify, all you have to do is drop an awesome comment below. Make sure you're following me on Instagram, like this video, hit the notification bell and be subscribed, and I'll go ahead and pick a winner every single video. Let's get into the video. So as you can see, I have a custom audience for initiate checkout for one of my stores, and we've got 2,300 initiate checkouts. When I hit 1,000 initiate checkouts, I went ahead and created worldwide lookalike audiences for initiate checkouts for my store, and I created from 1 to all the way to 10%. But now the initiate checkouts has doubled from 1,000 initiate checkouts to 2,300. So that means the audience is probably much more stronger. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go ahead and delete these initiate checkouts. Delete. And I'm going to recreate it and basically refresh my lookalike audiences and retest those new audiences, because initiate checkout worldwide lookalike audiences did super well for me. The ad set sort of died out, but now the amount of initiate checkout has doubled, so that means it's just going to be more powerful. So that's why I want to create more lookalike audiences for them. So now I go ahead and go to custom audiences. So I'm going to go ahead and select the initiate checkout, go ahead and create lookalike audience, browse. I'm going to select all countries. I'm going to go 6, so 1 to 6%, create audience. I'm going to go ahead and do that again, create lookalike, select all countries. I'm going to select number 4 this time and go from 4 to 10%. Create audience, and that's it. It's as simple as that. I went ahead and refreshed my initiate checkout worldwide lookalike audiences. You could do this for the US, UK. I like to do worldwide lookalike audiences just because the audience is much larger and just has more potential for scale. And then when I scale further, I go ahead and break down all the sales in the different countries, all the countries with the highest rise. I create lookalike audience individually for those countries. So I already created Germany initiate checkout lookalike audiences, but now since we've got more data, it went from 1,000 to 2,300, I might recreate those Germany initiate checkout lookalike audiences. But that's about it. That's a concept. And my testing strategy is I'm going to test all 10 of these ad sets in my testing campaign, 10 ad sets, worldwide lookalike audiences, 1%, 2%, all the way up to 10%, and I'm going to set them at $20 each. And I'm going to let them run probably for 3 to 4 days, let them hit roughly around $60. If there's 0 sales by 60, I'll kill. And if it has 1 sale, probably let it run to 80. If it doesn't get a second sale by 80, I'll kill it then. And then by $80 onward, if anything is unprofitable, I kill. So I do like to let my ad sets run a bit longer, and I don't kill it straight away when it hits profit margin, because I've seen ad sets actually come back after being unprofitable for the first 1, 2, 3 days, and it comes back on the 4th day. But obviously, if you don't have a budget, you want to just kill it at profit margin. But that's my lookalike audience testing strategy, and that's the whole video. That's how you go ahead and refresh your lookalike audiences. And you just want to continuously rinse and repeat this process again and again and again. So once I hit, say, 4,000 initiate checkouts, I'm going to delete all my worldwide initiate checkout lookalike audiences and refresh it with new worldwide initiate checkout audiences. And I can do this with add to cart, page view, purchases, and you just keep on doing it again and again and again and again. But yeah, that's the video. Question of the day: what is your lookalike audience strategy? Put it in the comment below. I'm curious to hear. Hope you guys are appreciating these back-end live real case studies I'm giving to you guys. It's, I'm giving you guys current information that I'm currently using. I'm showing you current results, current working stores, and everything has been tested and everything is shown to you guys with transparency. Hopefully you appreciate and value. Don't forget to subscribe. That really helps. I'm trying to hit 50,000 subscribers by the end of the year. Other than that, thank you so much for watching my videos. I really appreciate it, and I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow with more value. Peace.